Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Super Tarts haul. I know, Super Tarts is freaking killing me. Raise your hand if Super Tarts is killing you too. It is nuts. Like, I have been ordering from all the pre-orders. I try to get in on the ready to ships. I'm a mess. Like, seriously. Okay, so this is the pre-order for the citrus and mint. And yeah. Alright, so the first, let's just like jump right on in here. So the first one I got was Penny and Annabeth, and I went ahead and got her 3-pack. Let's see, what does she call these? 3-pack daisies, sorry. Okay, so 3-pack daisies, and this is, so the Penny component is lemonade, watermelon, and then the Annabeth part is saltwater taffy. Oh, saltwater taffy pink sugar, sorry. I can't even read my own writing. That's just great. So I typically have stayed away from watermelon scents, but I was thinking lemonade and watermelon probably would go okay together. Like, the lemonade would probably offset the watermelon, and then Annabeth is mixed in there, so I figured that would probably offset the watermelon a lot. So this is really gorgeous. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel because I don't love pink sugar and I don't love watermelon. At least I don't think so. I haven't warmed watermelon in a while. Actually, I think I've stayed away from watermelon most of my melting time or melting years. I don't know. This one smells really good. That Annabeth with the pink sugar saltwater taffy comes through, and I really get a lot of the lemonade, just a slight watermelon. Just a slight watermelon. I don't know, I probably wouldn't be afraid to try watermelon mixed with stuff, but yeah, that one's very pretty. I'm glad I got that. I'm glad that she's offering shapes and the different cookies and whatnots, because I don't know, I love, like, I guess I'm into the aesthetically pleasing, like, looking wax. I don't know. So Green Goblin, and I got this in a cookie, her large cookie. And Green Goblin, it's her Omen, which is red apple, ocean breezes, vanilla bean Noel, and then mixed with key lime. I've never had this one before, but I've been dying to have a key lime scent. And I really like this. I would have never purchased this before, but you know, your scent preferences kind of change. And I was like, I need some key lime in my life, and let's just mix it up with the Omen. This is really, really nice. I can smell that Omen, and then the key lime just kind of kicks that Omen up a little bit. It's so pretty. It's not, key lime to me isn't, I'm not getting like an overpowering lime scent. It's just really nice and subtle in there. It just kind of amplifies that Omen scent a little bit, so love that. Now, Wedding Singer. So I went ahead and grabbed this in the 6-pack. Let's see, what does she call this? The 6-pack pastries. Oh, okay, so she's got all kinds of different pastries in there. How cute is that macaron? Like, seriously, super cute. She's got like a pie in there, and then I don't know what this is. It's the scallop tart, and it's got some sort of like topping on it. I don't know what that's supposed to be, but Wedding Singer was one, oh, sorry, I didn't give you the scent descriptions. It's cactus, sea salt, mandarin, lemon eclair, and champagne. So I had Wedding Singer in a clamshell probably about 2 years ago, and I remember that I loved it. I remember just warming it and being so surprised by how good it actually was. So this one, all right, the cactus and sea salt is kind of like a creamy cactus and sea salt. Like, when you warm it, it really creams that cactus and sea salt down. You do smell the lemon eclair. The champagne is not dominant to me. I don't love champagne scents, but to me, this one is one of those like scents that you don't really think about, and you're kind of just like, whatever, that doesn't sound all that great, but it is amazing. It is just, like, I can't describe it. It just smells a little bit fresh, a little bit bakery, a little bit creamy, just like kind of creamy bakery, like a smooth bakery, and a smooth, like, fresh. This one is so good. I would highly recommend trying this one if you've never tried it. Nothing really screams out to me as being super dominant. I don't love cactus and sea salt that much anymore, but that one to me is still very doable. Doable? What? warmable. I don't know. Okay, so White Witch. I got this in the 6-pack pastries again too. Super cute again. That got a little smudgy. I remember the mailman put it in the freaking mailbox. So I was like, ugh. But anyways, menthol, grapefruit, silver birch, and rosemary. If you heard me talk about this in my last warm reviews, you guys know that I love White Witch. I don't know what it is about this scent combination, but if you have not tried White Witch, it is such a pretty, such a beautiful scent. I think people are afraid of the menthol and the grapefruit together. I think some of these scent notes sound very scary. But just like all mixed together, and then when you warm it, it's just so pretty. You do definitely get the menthol in there. Like the menthol definitely comes out. You can smell a little bit of grapefruit. Silver birch is in there. Rosemary, I've never smelled rosemary on its own, so I don't really know what that smells like, but it is such a pretty scent. I would definitely try at least one clamshell if you could at some point. If you're adventurous and you like pretty, like fresh scents. So the next one I have is Night King, and shoot, I forgot to look up what stainless steel smells like, because she put scent description on the back of here, and I was like, that's what stainless steel really is. So this is her large cookie, and so this is what she wrote. I can't even read my own handwriting. This is really bad. Ozone, clean beach, citrus, moss, tonka. So I think that's the stainless steel part of this, and then it's mixed with White Walkers, which is spearmint, peppermint, fresh mint, and vanilla bean noel. So I've had this one before. I don't remember warming it, so I was like, you know what, let me get it again because I do like White Walkers. Night King is is like the perfect name for this. I mean, she really couldn't have done this one better. Like Night King with the White Walkers, really. Fabulous. Anyways, so this one is, see, I never would have thought stainless steel. Stainless steel almost has like a metal smell to it. It's so weird. Like it really does smell like, kind of like a stainless steel. You do kind of get the softness of the White Walkers. White Walkers to me when you warm it is it's kind of a medium throw scent. It's not really strong. I don't know, but I do, now that she puts the scent description down there, I do kind of smell like that ozone clean beach type scent, like that fresh air type of note. But I remember when I had it before, I don't know if my mind was just playing tricks on me, like you really could kind of smell like not a metallic, but like a metal scent. Dumbledore is apple slices, pink chiffon, and blue cotton candy. It's been a long time since I've had Dumbledore. And my daughter calls him Dumbledore. I'm like, you can't do that to Dumbledore. Like, you cannot. He's the greatest wizard of all times. This I have not had in such a long time. It's really pretty. I'm going to get this on a warmer to see how I feel about it now that I have a sample, because I remember the last time I warmed this, I remember thinking what a gorgeous scent it was. And I remember I warmed it and I was like, crap. I think the apple maybe kind of overtook the whole thing, but it's so pretty. It's the pink chiffon and blue cotton candy really give it such a pretty scent, but those are all like pretty strong notes to me, so I have to be careful with stuff like that. Okay, the last one I have is Wildlings, and Wildlings is peppermint twist and vetiver. So usually peppermint takes over everything. Like whenever it's in a blend, it's just peppermint galore. This one is more subdued, and the vetiver really shines in this one, and the peppermint is not so crazy in here. You can smell it, but it's such a good blend. I think I got a sample from my friend Candy. Thank you, Candy, if you send that to me, because that helped me make the decision to purchase this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure she did. This one, I love her peppermint. I love when she mixes peppermint into things, but she mixes it with like these unexpected blends, and vetiver is so perfect. I think I love vetiver too. I think vetiver is like one of my favorite scents. Vetiver and like driftwood. Oh my gosh. You put anything you put that in anything and I'm probably gonna buy it. So that is Wildlings. I have to smell it again. It just smells so good. All right, so that is my tiny-ish Super Tarts order. I've been trying to, you know, she offers quite a big scent list, and I try to just stick with things that I know that I've either tried before or scent notes that I know that I'm probably gonna like. So yeah, I've been trying not to be like, oh, let me just try this again because, you know, just because. I've been trying to like really stick to scent notes that I know I'm gonna like. So anyways, all right, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you picked up anything from the citrus and mint pre-order, definitely let me know what your favorite is. I always like to know what you guys find as your favorites because it helps me, you know, think, oh, you know what, I've never tried that. If they like it, maybe I'll like it too. So yeah. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.